Hi, this is Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a runic stave to enhance clairvoyance. It was created by Max Namara. It can be used as a long-term amulet on a metal host, and it works by filters and clears information from negativity, leaving only the information sent by God, and also increases your ability to perceive the information. But what is clairvoyance? Clairvoyance is the ability to see things clearly. When you are looking at someone, you are able to see them clearly, you are able to see their character and what are they capable of and what you can expect from the person without any delusions. This means you will be invulnerable to lies, to deception and to manipulation from that person. Clairaudience is the ability to hear clearly. You literally can talk to the universe and receive answers. And clairsentience is the ability just to understand things. Whatever you think of, you will immediately gain a complete and whole understanding of that thing without any delusions. You will be able to understand why it happens, what are the reasons for it, and what you can do to transform the situation. All these abilities are generalized as clairvoyance. Everyone has clairvoyance, in a bigger or a lesser capacity. Clairvoyance is the ability to navigate life by listening to your heart and to your intuition. And developing this ability will help you greatly in your life, in your everyday tasks, and in walking your personal path. Later in the video I will also explain how to use it and how to activate it. This graphical magic construct is from my personal collection of powerful rune formulas and runic staves. I have gathered hundreds of powerful magical symbols. Those were created in the history of humanity. These magical symbols are amulets created for practical reasons like attracting money, health, love, but also for mystical purposes, for example protection from black magic, learning to astral project and even developing your intuition and clairvoyance. All that is available to you right now, all the links are in the description of the video. Now let's dissect this stave rune by rune to understand from which runes it consists and how it works. The dot in the middle is you, and all the information from all the planes of reality streams into you. The rune Dagas filters and clears the information from negativity, leaving only the actual useful information. The runes Otala are a connection to God Odin. God Odin is the universal archetype of wisdom and knowledge. The rune Gebo, also a rune of connection to the higher planes. The 4 Pertro runes are the doorways to the hidden knowledge. The 4 Bind runes of Ansus and Lagus are a stream of knowledge and wisdom. This stave also has 4 hidden Algis runes for the connection to the higher realms. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, get my free runes PDF guide. It has the meanings of all runes, some rune formulas, divination spreads, and also an example of how you can use and activate the runes with a simple ritual. To use this runic stave, you can draw it on a piece of paper or on a longer term amulet, like a metal or a wooden piece. It is appropriate to select a very specific type of metal or type of wood for your purposes. I explain all the qualities of metals and different types of woods for magical purposes on my course. When you completed drawing the stave, you can say an incantation, then you take a candle in a candle holder and put it on top of the amulet, light the candle and let it burn down completely. For this stave there is a very specific incantation created by its author. I stand between the worlds, calling to Odin. Around the gate to the astral plane, streams of message from Odin pass to me through the funnels of secret knowledge. I am protected by divine protection, which at the same time also give me the strength to understand the messages. I receive a gift in the form of divine information from the universe. For a stronger ritual of activation that invokes the 4 elements, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. This is a value-packed video course with years of my experience condensed into a short video that will enable you to work with the runes in a safe and efficient way very quickly. Bypassing mistakes that beginners do, those often prevent the runes from working at all.